Okay guys, so in today's video we are looking at just 5 questions for multiplying fractions. Okay, so this is aimed at predominantly for GCSE foundation tier, but it's also appropriate for Key Stage 3 students, Key Stage 2, functional skills maths, entry level maths, okay, and also GCSE higher tier as well. Okay, so we're going to start with question number 1, so part A. I've got 8/11 times 2/3. Now when I multiply fractions, all I do is just times the top numbers together and times the bottom numbers together. So I do 8 times 2, which is 16, and then 11 times 3, which is 33. Okay, for part B, I'll do 1 times 4, which is 4, and then 12 times 7 is 84. Okay, but again, if you're not too sure yet on what 12 times 7 is, then a little thing to the side, okay, so 2 7s are 14, so 14 carry the 1, 7 1s are 7 plus the 1 is 8, so my answer is 84. Now this one actually does simplify, so I can divide top and bottom by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 84 divided by 4 is 21. Okay, for that one. For part C, okay, I'm going to do 1 times 6, which is 6. 36 times 7, which I don't know actually, so I'll work it to the side. So 36 times 7, 36 sevens. Okay, so 6 sevens are 42, so 2 carry the 4. 7 threes are 21, plus the 4 is going to be 25. So my answer is 252. Okay, now they're both even, okay, and they're actually both a factor of 6. So I can divide them both by 6. 6 divided by 6 is going to be 1. And then dividing this by 6, okay, I'm going to get 42. Okay, but again, I can do a little bus stop method to the side if we're not too sure. Okay, so 252 divided by 6. So 6 doesn't go into 2. Okay, 6 into 2 goes 0 times. 6 into 25 go 4 with 1 left over or 1 remaining. 6 into 12 go twice. So 1. Okay, so the answer is going to be 42. Okay, 1/42. For part D, 2 times 7 is going to be 14. And then 13 times 15, so 13 15s. That's a bit more tricky and a bit more involved. Okay, so 5 3s are going to be 15, so 5 carry the 1. 5 1s are 5 plus the 1 is going to be 6. Okay, I'm going to put a 0 there. 1 times 3 is 3, and then 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, adding my answers together. Okay, I'm going to get 5, I'm going to get 9, and I'm going to get 1. So I'm going to get 14 over 195. Okay. So just to obviously summarize, guys, when you multiply fractions, you are multiplying the numerators together and multiplying the denominators together. Okay, numerators are the top numbers of my fraction, or top number of my fraction, and the denominator is the bottom part of my fraction. For part E, this one's slightly more trickier. Okay, is I've got a whole number times a fraction. All I do here is I times the whole number by the numerator and I keep my denominator the same. Okay, so I do 9 times 8, which is going to be 72. So it's 72 ninths. Okay, now that actually simplifies to the whole number 8. Okay, so my answer to part E is just equal to 8. Okay, it simplifies to 8. Okay, and the reason for that is because 9 can be written as 9 over 1. So I can write it as 9 over 1, okay, times 8 over 9. Okay, so then I'll do 9 times 8, which is going to be 72, and then 1 times 9 is 9. So I get 72 over 9, or 72 ninths, which simplifies to the number 8. Okay, so that's my answer for part E. So just to be clear on that, if I'm doing a whole number times a fraction, I do the whole number multiplied by the numerator, but I keep the denominator fixed. Okay, so that's the answer to part E. Right, guys, that's the end of today's short, sharp video on multiplying fractions. Hopefully it made sense. Okay, any questions, any queries, put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you did find it useful, please like, please comment, please share, and please subscribe. And I'll see you all inside the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now. Take care.